Hi, and welcome to Spice and Pans. I'm Roland. If you're looking for a kid-friendly meal that's both healthy and lightning fast, you've found it. Today we are making Chinese-style garlic sliced fish using boneless sea-based fillet. With only 10 ingredients and just minutes of cooking, this tender garlicky dish is perfect for busy parents. Voila! Let's start cooking. Now we're going to do a simple marinade on our fish slices. I have with me over here 300 grams of sea bass fillet, boneless, sliced thinly like this. Add in the egg white of half an egg, half a teaspoon of salt, and a few dashes of pepper. Using your hands, gently mix them up well. Once you mix them up well, we'll add in 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Mix them up well again. Once you are done with this, we'll let this marinate for 10 minutes. And I'll show you the next step after this. Now we are going to poach our fish. Slowly boil a wok of water. Now you don't really have to come to boiling point, but once you see bubbles, like on the bottom of the wok, it's time to add in our fish. Now I'm using medium heat right now, but we don't want it to come to a rolling boil. So now we just slowly add in our fish. We just need our fish to turn white in color. This is quite an easy dish to prepare. Important thing is to have fresh fish. I'm using sea bass, of course, if you want to use grouper or any other kind of fish without too much bone. So like snapper is a very good choice also. But if you are only having like river fish available, you can go for toman or snakehead. They are the same. Just give it a light stir. Now we don't want it to come to a rolling boil because we don't want to overcook the fish. Just poach the fish to perfection, and because of the coating of the corn flour also. Otherwise, if it's too much of a rolling boil, the coating on the fish will be gone and it will not be as nice to the taste bud as what it is right now. So something like this will be good, right? The fish has all turned white. Okay, this is what we want. So now we will just turn off the flame and drain out the fish. Now we put the dish together, heat up a wok, add in a suitable amount of oil, add in about 4 cloves of garlic chopped, as well as the stem of about 3 or 4 spring onions. This will add a lot of fragrance to the oil. Give it a good stir, keep moving it around, we don't want to burn it. Now if this is your first time cooking, I would suggest you can turn it to medium-low, the heat. We just want to get the fragrance out of the garlic as well as the spring onions. Oh, it's getting very fragrant, very nice. We don't want to brown the garlic too much. Once it starts to brown, we add in the rest of our seasonings. We just want to get rid of the spicy note from the garlic but retain the beautiful fragrance from the garlic. Now as you can see, some of the garlic is starting to turn brown. We add in half a teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Mix them up well. Add in 200 milliliters of water, half a teaspoon of chicken stock powder, as well as a few dashes of pepper. Now we can turn the heat up to medium-high. Let all the flavors integrate together. Let's give the sauce a taste just to make sure that it's savory enough for us. Beautiful. But if you want to add in a little bit of salt, you can do so too. I'm adding in about 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Give it a good mix. Now we're adding some cornstarch solution just to thicken up the sauce. Add in our fish. Slowly mix it around. Just swirl the fish around in the sauce, right? To get it coated evenly with the sauce. Try not to use a spatula and keep digging, otherwise you'll break up very easily. Now all we have to do is just add in a good amount of spring onion, and it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Can't wait to bite into them. Whoa. Sure that the fish will be really, really good. A huge dollop of the sauce. Right, let's taste this now. Oh, smells really good. I love the fragrance from the garlic. Let's try the fish. Oh, super tender. It's really, really good. The garlicky taste is really, really fantastic. Let's try the sauce with the rice. Rice with the sauce, A1 good. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's time to cook. See you. Bye bye. Wow, 很活啊。